Hey everyone, Jeff here from Wedge Clamp Systems. We have a new product to introduce to you today, the Fusion Plus Plastic Repair Station. Plastic welding has been around for a long time, so what makes this unit stand out? It's an all-in-one portable unit offering the welder, tool and consumable storage, as well as a work surface all-in-one functional package. No nitrogen, no compressed air input, just plug it into any 110 volt outlet and start welding. And better yet, you're welding in a matter of seconds. A new, innovative, and powerful control unit precisely monitors temperature at the tip of the welding wand. This ensures consistent heat control during the welding process. No other plastic welder in the collision repair industry offers this type of precision and ease of use. This means that by precisely controlling temperature at the wand, we're able to maintain the perfect melting point between the base material and the welding rod. We don't overheat the plastic and produce toxic smoke, and in turn ultimately restore the plastic back to its original state. It has other intelligent features as well, such as auto start, preset welding temperatures which can be controlled by the technician at the welding wand, and maybe one of its best features, auto shutdown. Just set the wand back into its cradle and no further action is required. So, enough talk, let me show you how it works. We'll start with an introduction to the unit, followed by a real-world repair. So, let's get started.
Okay, let's talk about some of the features and functions of your Fusion Plus plastic repair station. Number one, plug it in, flick the switch, turn it on. You'll see the LCD display light up. You'll notice right here there's a little moon and star letting you know that it's in sleep mode, and this will go into dim until you're actually ready to start welding. To start welding, pick up the wand out of the cradle and you'll see that the system wakes up right away. Now, some of the basics of the welding wand are right at the tip, which is interchangeable with two others, a larger one and a smaller one that are included inside of the kit. There's a temperature sensor right in the tip as well that accurately feeds back information to the display that you see right here. Now, on the handle itself, fingertip switch allows you to quickly cycle through the factory presets. So you can choose either a factory preset or configure your own custom preset, which we'll go over a little bit later on in this introduction to your system. Okay, so as I drop this down a little tiny bit, watch the display and you'll see that it changes. 302 is the base setting for the system, and you'll notice right here, while it's telling us 302 degrees in Fahrenheit, it's also telling us it's operating at 100 for the airflow. Now, either of these, either the temperature or the airflow, can actually be adjusted right here. We can adjust the air up or down and the temperature up or down, however we wish to weld. Later on, we'll learn how to save those settings if we so desire. Now, by now depressing the fingertip switch on the wand handle, you'll see that it's going to jump to the next factory setting, and the temperature sensor in the tip is giving us feedback, and as soon as this grays out and that sun stops flickering, that's telling us we've actually reached that temperature. We're ready to weld. It's very, very quick to heat up and very, very quick to cool down. Now there's one more factory setting. If I click this again, 842, you can see how quickly the ceramic heating element in the tip actually gets to temperature, and we're getting a true feedback from the tip back to the microprocessor unit to give us information as to when we're ready to weld. Now my favorite setting, my preference, is right here in the middle. Some people are going to like it a little bit hotter than me. Some people like it a little bit cooler. That's fine. But you'll see how quickly it heats up and actually cools down and gets you ready to weld. When you're actually finished welding, really simple, you can either press and hold and that puts us into cool down mode. You'll see the little snowflake here and the fan operating right here. But of course, the way you're going to likely do it is just put it back into the cradle and it automatically goes into cool down mode, shuts itself off. No further action is required from you. It's just that easy.